you go. Pretty. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how I die cut without a die cutting machine. And I've posted 2 videos already about die cuts, and this is now the 3rd. We're also gonna unbox a delivery from In Love Art Shop. As I've shared in the last 2 videos, I use rocks, just any type of rock. These are from the river. Actually, I had that question before if you need some sort of special rock for die cutting, and actually no, you don't. These are pebbles that I picked from the river and painted, and that's as special as it gets. Any rock will do as long as there is no sharp edge on them. But in this video we're gonna try something different. I haven't done it before, and we will figure out together if it works or not. So keep watching. I received another delivery from In Love Art Shop. I'm not paid for this. They simply send me materials and then I try them out and let you guys know what I think about them. So let's open this up first. I'm gonna turn the camera down so you can see. So inside, so this is what's inside. The smallest, cutest wooden easel I've ever seen. Isn't that adorable? So cute. And then, so these are for like origami, and I am gonna try to die cut with this today. Now let's see if it works. I'm also leaving a link in the description for all of these things, and you will get 15% off. I won't get paid for it, but you will get 15% off from their shop if you buy any of these. Oh my gosh, this is the prettiest. I need to open this first. Isn't this pretty? So that's like a clover die cut. These are metal die cuts. So that's the clover. Sorry pumpkin, I'm gonna give that space to this beautiful newcomer. And then in here, let's open that one. These are super cute. And the last one. Here's some leaves and flowers that will also look super pretty on cards. And the last die cut. That's a little reindeer for Christmas cards. I'm gonna leave this one for another time. I think in this video we're gonna try out this one. There is also stamp ink in what's in this delivery. So let's open that as well. So this is golden, white and brown. Wow, that's actually quite strong in color. Ooh, I love this. This is mineral. The brand is called June 6. So to do die cutting you would obviously need a die. And this is a metal die. And then you will need painter's tape. You can use other tape, but I do recommend painter's tape because it doesn't rip the paper and it's easy to take off as well. Now, some of you asked what type of paper I use, and I would say this one is harder card and this one is just normal copy paper they use in the copy machines, a normal A4. For the card you will always have to press a little bit harder. I wouldn't use thinner paper. I tried with thinner paper, but it rips so easily. So especially when you're trying to take it out of the die, thinner paper doesn't really come out properly. So I normally use card, and that is what we're gonna do today. And because this is a clover, I am using a green card to cut this out. So first, take the sharp side, you place it down facing the paper. Then I take a couple of tape strips and tape it on. And now I turn the paper over like that. And today we're gonna use this. Let's see if it works. I've never used this before, so it is new for me as well. Let's figure this out together and see if this works. So this one is normally used for origami. It's good for folding papers and making creases. Let's see if it also cuts die cuts. So I'm gonna rub this really hard over this shape now. The die is here underneath. So it actually looks like it is cutting through paper. This one is working. So now I'm gonna rub all over this shape. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Once you cut the whole thing out, you take off these tapes from the back side. Now, something that I wanted to show you that I realized is these ones, because they're made out of plastic, they get small little lines from the die cut. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but these are almost a little bit too soft for cutting die cuts. So what I will do is I will go back to my rocks to make the final details to keep these ones nice. So, conclusion, it works, but it leaves small little cuts on these tools. So rather use the rock. This is actually way quicker as well than using the plastic tools. This has such a lovely little pattern. So once you cut out all of those tiny little details, it is time to take out the paper. Now what I use for this is a toothpick. Apparently there are special brushes where you can just brush them from the back side and all those small little details pop out, but I do it manually with a toothpick. So simply pop them out like this. They come out quite nicely, like that. There are small holes here on the back side that helps you to break out the paper. Now let's see if we can get that out. You see it comes out like that? And you have to do this quite gently so that the paper doesn't rip. Gently, gently remove it from the die. And if it feels like it gets stuck somewhere, you can again look for those small little circles here on the back that you can press to help the paper break out of the die. Oh, this is coming out quite nicely. So this is the thicker card paper. Normal copy paper also works. Just be super gentle and careful when you remove it so you don't rip it. This is actually coming out quite easily compared to the bigger one that I did in last video. This one has a lot of details as well, but the cut itself is smaller. There you go. So now I'm gonna take this book, and here's the other die cut that I shared with you in the other video, and I thought I could add this clover to the opposite side. Could look quite nice here. Like that. Pretty. So as mentioned earlier, the links to all of these die cuts that In Love Art Shop sent me in this delivery are linked in the description below with 15% discount for you guys. So do check them out if you are into die cutting and you want to try any of these for your own scrapbookings and cards and whatnot. Let me know what you use your dies for in the comment section below. That was it for this time. Thank you so much for watching with me, and do hit the subscribe if you like this kind of videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ha det bra!